in a nice break from the usual thugs that they deal with, Baipanahalli police station has a downright lovable guest, a little calf which has now been with them for 2 weeks, and the cops love this little fellow. Mohammad Rafi, the inspector of Baipanahalli police station, became a Gorakshak when he recently saved a calf. Inspector Rafi feeds the calf with 15 liters of milk mixed with jaggery. The calf is also fed horse grams soaked in honey. It's hardly a surprise that little fellow has been aptly named Bhima by the police.
We're here at the Baipanahalli police station, and amidst all the lockdown crisis that the entire city of Bengaluru is witnessing, right now you can look at this, this particular small calf was saved on the 30th of March by Police Inspector Mr. Mohammad Rafi, as well as his team of inspectors, as well as constables too, and clearly going ahead and understanding that this small calf was rescued when one of the persons was taking this in a four-wheeler, and once the police stopped them at the checkpost, it was learnt that once they opened the car, they learned that there was this small calf that was there, and finally when they were seeing as to whether the calf was well or not, this person fled there with his car. But after that, they did not know what to do, but immediately due to the inspectors, the inspector was quite aware as to what to do. He brought this particular calf inside the police station, and now he's been tending to it as his own, child as well. And you can clearly look at it that Inspector Mohammad Rafi is feeding this small calf, and it has also been named as Bhima as well, after the strongest Pandava in the Mahabharata. So it is called as Bhima because initially it was weak, but now you can clearly look at it that this calf seems to have been loved by everybody in the police station. All the staff, even before going ahead and putting a sign on their registers or their attendances, they will first go ahead and attend to Bhima. They will feed him with food, and later only they will go ahead and file their attendance too. So definitely amidst all this tension, Bhima has come as a sort of relief for them as well, and kudos to Inspector Mohammad Rafi as well as his team of sub-inspectors, the constables, as well as the entire police staff too, who have clearly gone ahead and done a commendable work over here. And he seems to like the inspector so much that he does not even live the inspector here, and every time the inspector goes ahead, takes him for a walk in the morning too. And it is hardly during such times we have never seen, we have exactly never seen such, we have never seen how things are going by. And also going ahead and looking at him, he's hardly 1 month old as well, and he's now been rescued. Looking at it, definitely Bhima seems to be quite excited to be in the company of a policeman. And during these times, it is quite heartening to see the fact that there are also Corona warriors, because every now and then the police are said to be very strict, and many of the people complain that the lockdown rules is causing us a lot of problem. But amidst all that, our cops are clearly going ahead and taking out time to feed these mute animals, to rescue them, and at the same point of time bring them and also take them as a part of the family. Mr. Rafi, going ahead and looking at it, definitely quite a fabulous job there done by you. How did you find this small calf as well, and how does it seem like? Seems like he's a stress buster for you.
Sir, actually it is in now lockdown period in 25th March onwards. The 30th evening night at 12 o'clock, around 12 o'clock, our Baipanahalli police station sub-inspector Nagaraj and another one staff PC police constable Gurki, they were in checkpost. They are checking the vehicles. While one car came very fastly, and they have been doubt. Then they have stopped the car. Why are you coming with, like this much of fast? He told, sir, it is a lockdown period. That's why I came. I have scared about police. Okay. Then they have doubt on the car, and they told that to open the door. When we are seeing the inside of the car, there is eyes were blinking. Then we have opened outside. This is a cough, maybe 2 days cough, just born cough. And then later we have asked him why you are taking like this. He told, sir, I want to look after this. That's why I am taking like. And immediately when I am looking after this one, immediately he ran away from the behind. We could not found where it has gone. Then immediately we are concentrating towards this calf. Then we took the 30th night of March to the police station, and 31st morning itself we have started looking after this, and we have named it is the Bhima. You know Mahabharata. It is a mythological, Bhima means it is a very powerful man and intelligent, and is also a good man. And that is why my calf is also becoming in future as a Bhima. Lovely, we proud because it is came to our police station. That is our lucky. So we are, and also it is follows me every day. When I will sit early, it sits with me, and if I walks, if I going walk, and it is also coming with me, and if I run, it is also running with me. It is like our family member, and also is a part of the police station, and it is very lovely person, lovely calf to my whole staff and me. And it is one of my family member. 100% it is an lucky. We are lucky. This is boosting of our power, and it is we are forgetting all the things whatever when we are doing everyday morning to evening work, all strains will be goes out. We are boosting our power because of this cough, and it is also plus point for our staff and myself and everyone here.
Thank you, sir. A huge salute to you as well as all your staff, because not only have you been clearly going ahead and solving the problems of human beings, but you're also clearly going ahead and solving the problems of these mute animals. And all I can clearly go ahead and state as of now is that kudos to the sort of work that you're giving for the society, for humanity, as well as these animals too. So clearly going ahead there, definitely, quite impressed with the way that, the Inspector Muhammad Rafi of Bayapanahalli Police Station, as well as all his staff members, have clearly gone ahead and attended to the problem of this mute animal. With camera person Ravi, Prajwal Prasad reporting for News 9, Bengaluru.